In a recent court case, judge declined to force USCIS to process EAD renewals for asylum seekers. Check out the story. So number one is, there was a court hearing about asylum EADs. Okay, now let me give you some background on that. When you apply for asylum, you're eligible for a work permit, an EAD, generally after a specific period of time called the clock, meaning there's a 6-month or a 1-year waiting period. And what's happened is there have been massive delays on the asylum front, and there was a big lawsuit. In the lawsuit that they filed, they essentially said the delays are keeping people from functioning and forcing them to work illegally in the United States. And what ended up happening is the court rejected all those arguments, and we're at a place right now, we don't have a final decision in that lawsuit, but we do know that the renewals for asylum seekers has not been sped up, it's not been expedited in any way, and in fact, those individuals are falling into this giant pool of individuals stuck in the employment authorization line, and they are getting no relief. And I think the thing that's so important I want to bring out today is that, the Biden administration has the power to fix this. The Biden administration can go in and do things like make extensions or specifically note that asylum seekers who are in the process or maybe have had an interview or are waiting for an interview, they can qualify for automatic extensions like they've done with other categories. So right off the top of the bat here, the court case we heard arguments last week. We watched closely what happened, but it looks like the court's going to end up saying that this delay can be fixed by the president or Congress, but not by the court. We'll update you when we know more.